I'm Erin Zettle. I'm a Family Literacy Center board member and a licensed attorney in the state of Michigan. We are creating these informational videos to help inform our students about certain legal issues. This legal advice is general advice. It isn't addressing any specific legal problem. It's also valid as of March 2024. Laws change all the time. So, what are you putting in your texts and your emails? To start, whatever you text or email to your boss or your coworkers, let's keep in mind, can absolutely be printed and put into your personnel file. It can absolutely become cause for firing. And anything that you send to anyone can be sent to everyone. So let's just remember that the internet is forever. But more specifically, be really careful what you put in email, through Messenger, through Snapchat, through text, because there's a really common crime called misuse of a telecommunications device. If you threaten, if you're hostile, you can be charged with this crime, and the line between threats and hostility could be left up to a jury to decide. What you think is being mean and hostile, a prosecutor could very easily think is a threat. And what you think is, I'll come over there and kick your blah, 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 and you think, well, no, I said that jokingly. There is no tone in text. There is no tone in email. There is no adding a smiley face emoji that makes that less of a threat of physical violence. And so the police, when reading it, the prosecutors, when reading it, the potential jurors, when reading it, they may not agree with you, like, no, JK, LOL. You have to be careful. So be really careful what you put in those texts and those emails, and be really careful if someone tells you to stop contacting them, or if they block you and then you decide to circumvent and find their Insta, find their Facebook, find them on Snapchat, and you keep doing it and they keep blocking you, or if they say, please don't contact me again, and you go find them on Facebook Messenger and they block you and you make a new Facebook Messenger and you contact them again, 2 or more unconsented contacts becomes a stalking charge. Stalking does not mean hiding in the bushes outside their house or driving around their neighborhood or following them to work. It can literally mean texting them, they say don't contact me again, going on Messenger, messaging them, they say don't contact me again, going on to Snapchat, sending them a message, sending them something through Instagram. That's enough. If they say don't contact me, don't do it, because you will end up with either a misdemeanor or potentially a felony stalking charge. And that's a hard one to get away from. And that's a very difficult charge to plea bargain down. And it's a difficult charge to get expunged. It can also come with up to 5 years of probation. So that's 5 years of the court monitoring your every move. So just be careful what you write down. Be careful what you hit send on. Be careful because you don't know how someone else is going to receive it. You don't know if they're going to hit a screenshot and send it off to all of your friends and family. So before you put something in a text, if you're not sure how the recipient is going to receive it, think about it being read to your grandma, read at church, or put on a billboard with your name and picture next to it. And then think twice, and then delete it, because that's what you're going to want to do. So wrapping up, here's another standard lawyer disclaimer. This is not specific legal advice. If you have a legal problem, please consult an attorney. Most lawyers have free consultations.